just wanna touch you. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I personally straighten my hair, my routine, how I keep it from being frizzy and keep it really straight and silky. I'm also going to be adding in me doing my baby hair, so I'm going to start off with doing that first, and then I'll get into showing you guys my routine on how I straighten my hair. So right now I'm just going to pull my hair back out the way, and I'm just going to section off with my comb the front of my baby hairs, and I'm just going to comb them out because I just had them in and they were looking a little crazy. So yeah, I'm using the Gorilla Glue and I'm using a toothbrush, and I just take my hairs and I'm just kind of like swoop it up, going upwards, and it looks easy, but once you try, it is kind of hard. It takes a lot of practice. You guys, I've been so sick lately. You probably can hear it in my voice, but I've been sick for the past week. But yeah, I managed to get up, get ready, get dressed, and film for you guys, sick and all. And I also filmed a makeup tutorial for you guys as well, and it's on this makeup look right here in this video. So yeah, I filmed this and I can't wait to get it up and show you guys. So yeah. So here's the before and after. Big difference. Like, I can't live without my baby hairs being swooped. So yeah. Now I'm going to take some hairspray, and this hairspray is like really like a super duper hold, and I like to use this on my baby hairs when I don't have time to put a headscarf on and just leave it on throughout the night, or just don't have time period putting a headscarf on. I like to just spray it and then go in and blow dry it. So now that the baby hairs are done, they're dry, I'm going to go in and straighten my hair. So I like to do a part going down the middle. So before I start to flat iron the hair and stuff, I like to go through it, comb it out, and in the front I need to like comb out the gel from when I did my baby hairs. It's kind of like dried up and stuff, so I just go through it and comb it out. So now I'm going to go in with this hairspray by Ronks, and this is a leave-in treatment, and it helps protect your hair from heat damage or even dyeing your hair and bleaching it. So yeah, I like to spray this in first before I start to flat iron it, and I love to use this before I flat iron my hair. It just makes my hair even more straighter and more silky, and it keeps that shine in my hair as well. So yeah, I can't live without this spray. If you watched my favorites beauty video, then you know I like this spray. I talked about it in that video. So yeah, so now I'm just going to go in and section off the hair, and I'm going to start from the back and work my way forward to the top. So I'm just going to section that off and clip it up out the way. I also like to go in between each section of my hair and spray in between as I flat iron as well, and just to make sure that I got the spray all over the hair and it's protecting my hair from the heat. So the flat iron I use is the Babyliss Pro flat iron, and it's the ultra thin straighten iron. That's the name of it. And I think I have the 2-inch one, and it retails for about $140 at Ulta. And I really love this iron. It gets really hot. There's like 50 settings on there of where you can turn the temp up on there, and it gets up to 450 degrees, which is pretty hot for a plug-in flat iron. So yeah, I really love this iron. This is what I use to flat iron my hair with.